Turmeric is a powerful healing root. Curry's color comes from this root. It is a member of the ginger family and has numerous healing properties that have been used for 5,000 years in China and India. It is most likely the most thoroughly researched natural healing substance available. Characteristics and active ingredients. Turmeric root is available in a variety of forms, including raw root, oil, powder, and capsules that are highly concentrated. Curcumin, the active ingredient in the root, is commonly used as a food coloring agent. However, many people are unaware of the healing effect because turmeric curcumin is always associated with curry, i.e. with a spice, and the positive effect of curcumin is uncommon. The healing effect: strong antioxidant effect, prevents cholesterol oxidation, so blood vessels are not damaged and arteriosclerosis is not a threat. Regulates homocysteine levels, prevents vascular wall damage, thereby preventing arteriosclerotic deposits and heart disease. Has anti-inflammatory properties, special safeguards in the event of joint inflammation or arthritis. Safeguards against Alzheimer's disease. Curcumin both prevents and treats cancer. In order for a tumor to grow, it requires certain transcription factors, which curcumin simply turns off, preventing it from spreading further. It also strengthens the membranes of the body's cells, increasing their resistance to cancer-causing pathogens. Environmental stresses such as mineral dust and air pollution, as well as stresses caused by cigarette smoke, chemotherapy, or radiation therapy, cause lung lesions and pulmonary fibrosis. Turmeric relieves these symptoms. Inflammations in the respiratory tract are weakened, which protects against respiratory diseases. Diabetes is postponed because beta cells in the pancreas, which are responsible for insulin production, are stimulated. Adverse effects: in rare cases, people with sensitive stomachs may experience heartburn, nausea, vomiting, and diarrhea. When taken in the recommended dosage, there are no known side effects. Use. Dosage. The following dosage and intake are advised. 1.5 to 3 grams per day for a fresh root. 1 to 3 grams of powder per day. 1.2 to 1.8 grams of turmeric extract, curcumin, per day. What should you look for in a product's quality? Turmeric root should be fresh and of high quality when purchased. We've had good results with turmeric roots we linked in the description for you. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends.